Hello students, good morning. In this session I am going to discuss once again the basic nature of amines. Today we will discuss about the order of basicity of amines. Order of basicity of amines. Either in gaseous phase or in aqueous phase. In both phase we will discuss about the basicity of amines, means basic nature of different amines. Comparison between one degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines. At first we compare 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree amine, or among them which one has more basic nature and what are the factors on which basic characters of amine depends. Factors on which basicity of amines depend. The first factor we will discuss is plus I effect. Plus I effect. As we discussed in previous video, plus I effect increases the basicity of amines, and we can say that plus I effect increases of amines means basicity increases, and plus I group is a alkyl group. Plus I group present of alkyl group increases the basicity of amine. If we talk about on this factor, so if 1 degree amine, here is only one alkyl group, and we see or talk about 2 degree amine, here is 2 alkyl group, means more plus I effect. And if we talk about the 3 degree alkyl amine, so here is 3 alkyl group, so more the alkyl group, more the electron density increases on the nitrogen. In that condition, on the basis of plus I effect, as the number of alkyl group increases, the basicity of amines increases. In this condition, we can say that the 3 degree amine is more basic than 2 degree than 1 degree. On the basis of plus I effect, the basic nature of 3 degree amine is more than the 2 degree than the 1 degree. This is 1 degree, this is 2 degree, and this is 3 degree. Why? Because we know that alkyl group is the electron pushing group. This gives the plus I. As we know, more the alkyl group, more the plus I nature, means electron releasing group. So it gives the electron to the nitrogen, and the electron density increases on the nitrogen. So in that condition, it can easily lose their electron. So as the number of alkyl group increases, basicity increases. So on the factor of plus I effect, if we compare the amines 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree amines, so on the basis of this effect, 3 degree amines are more basic than 2 degree than 1 degree. One conditions made the basicity of amines among the 1, 2 or 3 degree. We talk about the gaseous phase or aqueous phase also. In gaseous phase, this is on the gaseous phase. In gaseous phase, we can say 3 degree amines are most basic in nature, than the 2 degree, than the 1 degree. And what happens if we talk about the next factor, which is known as solvation? factor. At first we discuss all the factors, then we compare the basic nature of amine in gaseous phase as well as in aqueous phase. So in the gaseous phase only plus I factors are considered. In that condition 3 degree amines are more basic in nature than 2 degree than 1 degree. Next factor is solvation factor. Solvation means we talk about in aqueous phase. We know that amines are soluble in water. If amines dissolve in water, H plus from water, it lose their electron to the H plus or take the electrons from water and form a stable cation. We already discussed in previous video about that. So basicity of amine depends on the stability of cation. When amine dissolve in water, we know that amine has basic nature, so it lose their electron to the protons from water and form this cation. So amines form the cation. We talk about the stability of this cation. As the cations are stable, that means basic nature of amine is more. If the cations are not stable, that means basicity of amine is less. So totally here in solvation factor we talk about the stability of cation. In nutshell we can say that basicity of amine in aqueous phase depends on the stability of cation. We can say that basicity of amines in aqueous phase depends on the stability of cation its form. When amine dissolve in water, it lose electron to the protons from water and form the cation. So greater the stability of cation, more the basic nature of amine. So at first we will discuss about the 1 degree amine. So let's discuss about the 1 degree amine. 1 degree amine, when treated with water, it forms R, NH3 and positive charge appears on the nitrogen. So it forms bond between water. This hydrogen also forms with water. This hydrogen also forms the bond with the water. As we know, 3 water molecules attached with the 3 hydrogen present in 1 degree amine. So number of times we know that, or we discuss about that, as the bond forms, amount of energy released. So here the 3 times water molecules, hydrogen of amines and the water molecules makes the bond, and when the bond makes, energy release. So 3 times 3 water molecules forms the bond with the amine, hydrogen of amine. So 3 times energy release, and we know that energy, if energy decreases means stability increases, and energy decreases, stability increases, and the stability of cation increases the basicity. So the basicity increases. This is the common factor we should remember. Bond forms, energy release. In that condition, these molecules have less energy. Less energy means greater stability. Greater stability means greater stability of cation means greater the basic nature of this amine. Now we see the 2-degree amines. 2-degree amines, when dissolved in water, it forms 2 water bond with water molecules. It has only 2 hydrogen, so it surrounded with 2 water molecules, so less amount of energy release. In the 3-degree amines, it has only 1 hydrogen, so it forms only 1 water molecules bond with water molecules, so very less amount of energy release when this H is available for the form the bond between this with the water molecules. So in this condition, when we talk about the solvation effect, we concluded 1-degree amine is more basic than 2-degree than the 3-degree. On the solvation factor, we concluded 1-degree amine is more basic. Why 1-degree amine is more basic? Because 1-degree amine has 3 hydrogen and 3 hydrogen surrounded by 3 water molecules, and we know that when the water molecules form the bond with the or we can say that this type of bond, H bond, we can show by dotted line, and we know that number of times when the molecule bond form, energy release. So 1-degree amines have 3 hydrogens, so it forms 3 H bond with 3 water molecules, so large amount of energy release when the bond form with the water molecules. So this compound has less energy. So less energy means greater stability, and greater stability means greater basic character or basicity of the amine. So in 2-degree amine, only 2 hydrogen and water molecules form the bond with the only 2 hydrogen. So only 2 hydrogen when make the bond with water molecules, less amount of energy release than the 1-degree. And in the case of 3-degree, it has only 1 hydrogen, so it forms only 1 hydrogen bond with water. So it has less basic character because it has more energy, because it forms only 1 H bond. In that condition, on the basis of solvation effect, we concluded which one amine will be more basic. So 1-degree amine will be more basic because 1-degree amine has less energy. Less energy means greater stability, and greater stability of cation means more basic character. So 2 factors we discuss here. What are the 2 factors? At first, on the basis of plus I effect, 3-degree, then 2-degree, then 1-degree, and on the basis of solvation, 1-degree, 2-degree and 3-degree. These 2 results come. On the basis of plus I effect, amines, 3-degree amines are more basic because 3-degree amines has more number of alkyl group. So more number of alkyl group, more the plus I effect and more the basic nature. But in condition of solvation, depends on the bond form with the water molecule. So 1-degree amine has 3 hydrogen, so it forms 3 H bond with water molecules. So in that condition, 1-degree amine is more basic than 2-degree than 3-degree amine. Let's we talk about the steric hindrance. Steric hindrance. steric hindrance. These all are in the aqueous phase. This is also in aqueous phase. Steric hindrance means crowdiness. So at first we talk about the 1 degree amine RNH2. It has two small hydrogen atom and one larger alkyl group. In case of 2 degree amine, this is 1 degree amine, it has two alkyl group, and in case of 3 degree amine, it has 3 alkyl group. More the number of alkyl group, more the steric hindrance, more the crowdiness. So in that condition, amine which has less crowdiness or less steric hindrance is the 1 degree. So most basic nature of the point of steric hindrance, 1 degree amine is more basic than 2 degree than the 3 degree. So on the basis of steric hindrance, less hindered is 1 degree amine, and 2 degree amine is more hindered than the 1 degree. This is the 2 degree and this is the 3 degree. So 3 degree amines are more hindered, more crowdiness. So it is difficult for the nitrogen to donate electron pair. In that condition, on the basis of steric hindrance, 1 degree amine is more basic. This is also in aqueous phase. Aqueous phase. So in that condition, 1 degree amine is more basic because it has less hindered. 2 degree is less basic than 1 degree, and 3 degree is least basic than the 1 and 2. So we conclude the 3 factors on which basic nature depends. Third is steric hindrance. On the basis of steric hindrance, we concluded 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines. Let's see 3 factors. Plus I 3 2 1, solvation 1 2 3, steric hindrance 1 2 3. The position of 2 does not changes. So all the experimental condition shows that 2 degree amine is more basic than the 1 or 3. But one factor is left, this is the alkyl group. This is the alkyl group. If R is larger, means C2H5 bigger group, in that condition 2 degree amines more basic than 3 degree than 1 degree when the R is bigger. But if we talk, if R is smaller like CH3, in that condition 2 degree, still 2 degree is more basic in nature than 1 degree than 3 degree. This is the basic order of amines when the alkyl group is bigger. So 2, 3, 1. When the alkyl group is smaller, 2, 1, 3. And when we can memorize by in this when the bigger group, bigger number comes first. When the smaller group, smaller number comes first. In this way you connect the link for memory, memorize to basic order of amines. Here we can say that when alkyl group is C2H5 means bigger group, so 3 degree come first, then 1 degree. Why 3 degree come first? Which factors work here? So here the factor plus I factor dominates over the other 2 factors, means the solvation factor or steric hindrance factor. In case of ethyl, 3 degree more basic than 1 degree due to plus I factor. But in case of methyl, 1 degree is more basic than 3 degree. So what are the factors considered here? So we can consider the factor here in case of methyl, steric hindrance and solvation factor. We know that solvation factor 1 degree amine is more basic, and steric hindrance there is less hindered. So in that condition, this is the two important factor apart from this on which we can conclude it the basic nature of amines. So once I am again explain it, if the ethyl group is given or any bigger group will be given, in that condition 3 degree amine is more basic than 1 degree. 2 degrees still do not change their place, either bigger group either smaller group, but 3 degree more basic than 1 degree when the alkyl group will be larger or bigger. So what are the factor? The factor is plus I factor dominates over the other two factors. But in case of smaller group, 1 degree amine is more basic than 3 degree. What are the factors considered here? So solvation factor and steric hindrance factor. So that this condition 2, 1, 3 in case R of methyl, 2, 31 in the case when R is ethyl. In this way we can easily arrange the basicity or basic order of amines in aqueous phase or gaseous phase also. In gaseous phase only plus I considered, but in aqueous phase all the three factors are considered, so that we can conclude it the basic order of amines. In the next session we will discuss the chemical reactions of amines like alkylation and acylation. This is the important topic of the amines chapter, so pay more attention on the basic nature of amines.